pollination and seed formation. To understand the process of pollination, we should first know the anatomy of an ovule. Ovule is a small structure contained in the ovary. Each ovule is attached to the placenta by a stalk called the funicle, which provides nourishment to the ovule. Further, ovule is surrounded by two protective coats called integuments, bearing a small opening at one end known as a microphyte. And if you see the detailed structure of the ovule, you will find a small structure called an embryo sac, which contains an egg towards the micropyle and also contains two polar nuclei which are located in the center. Moving down in the process, after the pollen grains are deposited on the stigma, the pollen grains absorb water and sugar from the surface of stigma and swell up to produce a pollen tube. This pollen tube eventually travels down the length of the style into the ovary. Now, the two male gametes in the pollen tube enter the ovule and fuse there with an egg and polar nuclei.